All right. Here we go. Our first live stream. It's an AMA. Ask me anything regarding e-commerce, web design, and web development. So I'm available to take any of your questions. Let's see what you guys come up with. And yeah, I'm just going to be here and hanging out. It's a regular work day for us here at Tripoli. So I'll be doing my thing while some of you start popping in, hopefully. And then, yeah, we can chat. We can answer any questions you have about, again, e-commerce, web development, web design, web hosting, anything like that that you like answered. We are here for you, and I'll be taking those questions live. I'm just going to settle into my own workstation here, and yeah, we'll see how this goes for the first day. Let's take a look here. All right, the chat is open. And let me know if you can hear me correctly, if there's any problems with the audio that I need to fix. I mean, we're winging it here. We're just, taking a live for the first time. So let's see. All right. A lot to be done today. It's already midday, so I'm going to be checking in some meetings that are happening tomorrow, sending some emails, checking on client stores, and yeah, just going to be here available for any of your questions. Let's see how we're doing with the analytics, how we're doing with our Google Search Console. I hope you can hear me fine. Let's take a look here. Maybe I should look at some of the settings. I can mute myself. I can do screen sharing. Let's see, I can share the live stream. Oh, that's cool. I'll share the live stream with myself. Maybe see how that looks. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Okay. And stream, edit. This is just the details. Customizations. Everything seems to be up and running. And I like my own live stream. And take a look how that looks in the YouTube app. YouTube. Well, they need to lend it to me. Right. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Cool. Serious. No, I can show you. There is the AMA live. Oh, and there's infinity effect. Nice. Properly is live. Should probably take a screenshot and share it. It's so cool. I don't like that screenshot. Let's try again. I think it's a live looking name. It's a live thumbnail, which is pretty cool. I think that looks up. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Hey, the lights look pretty neat. I like this. All right. Let's see. How else do we here? Um, let's see. So we're on the e-commerce AMA show slide. That's nice. Right. Just hang out here for a little while, see what happens. In the meantime, just going to be working on some emails. Let's, all right. Nice. Mm, I'm launching tomorrow with some clients, so I'll just double check the location. Mm, nice. Mm, All right, all right. So yeah, we can talk anything about e-commerce. We probably has been in business for a very long time, a little bit over 12 years, and we've developed quite a bit of online stores for clients all across the world. Uh, and that's not an exaggeration. We've had clients all over the United States, Canada, Mexico, Australia, Europe, Asia, you name it. Yeah, we've been very fortunate to help online store owners either redesign their online stores, relaunch, migrate platforms, refresh their online stores and their websites. Um, we help with things like banners, seasonal promotions, setting up automatic promotions and coupon codes, email marketing, everything that has to do with e-commerce. We've been there. We've done a lot of integrations, now with even AI chatbots and things like that. So we're looking forward to, answering any questions you might have. We're here for you. Let's take a look at our calendar. And I'm just responding to some emails, just making sure that we're all lined up for the rest of the day. All right. All right. By the way, in case you're wondering, Properly is an e-commerce development company that is based in the city of Denver, Colorado, in the United States. And like I mentioned, we've been in business for a little bit over 12 years now. Very successful, clients that we've kept for years and years and years. We're looking forward to, helping you now. All right. Continue with my work here while you guys start in. Hopefully, get some questions from you. That'll be the best. AMA has me anything. By the way, one of our most successful product offerings in e-commerce development is e-commerce management services, also known as online store management services, which have been great success to many of our clients. Basically, what we do is we help you manage everything that has to do with your e-commerce platform, all the integrations, debugging, making sure that your user experience is optimized, that checkout flow is working seamlessly, and that your customers ultimately can purchase from your online store, in a pleasant way, making sure that they can go from discovery to adding to cart, selecting options and shipping, and then checkout. So, yeah, that e-commerce management service has been very useful to many of our clients over the years, and we have a very capable team of uh, front end developers, back end developers, API integrators, pay-per-click uh, team, SEO team, search engine optimization now, and also geo. which stands for generative engine optimization. Now making sure that your brand and your products are appearing and generative AI answers. Whether you're using um, ChatGPT or Copilot or Claude or anything else, whatever your users are searching and looking for answers on products that you sell. Geo is the one that is taking care of that. So similar to SEO, GEO, generative engine optimization, now very important for clients. And yeah, so basically under our e-commerce management services, we have an umbrella of experts available to you. Um, we work on a retainer model where you select how many hours per month your business could use of our services. Usually, we have 22, 44, 66 hours per month, and also some custom plans based on enterprise needs. And out of those hours, you can use them any way you like or any way your business needs. Whether it's back-end development, new integrations, um, email marketing, um, promotions and banners, graphic design, everything. Everything is under just one umbrella for you. So, and you get one dedicated e-commerce manager. That way, you're not managing multiple freelancers. We bring all of that in-house for you. So you are working with your e-commerce manager. You're just telling us what needs to be done, and we're out there, making sure that our teams are delivering on time all the tasks and all the projects that you need to be done for your online store. So that's a really cool service that we've been offering for several years. It's been very successful, and we can help you anywhere you are in the world. So that's also the nice thing. I mean, we become your staff, your partner on making sure that your online store is running flawlessly, and that all the systems are kept up to date. Whether you have plugins and WooCommerce that need to be updated regularly, we'll make sure that we're making backups and just keeping your online store operational all the time at peak performance, making sure that your page speed optimization is beating your competition, and that your website is loading correctly both on mobile and on desktop, and making sure that your customers are having a good shopping experience. Let me know if you have any questions about that, and yeah, we can also answer those for you. I guess you don't mind if I don't keep my phone on do not disturb as calls come in or messages. Making sure that everything is being answered promptly and that we're available to all of you. All right, just got confirmation for launch tomorrow. Did I mention we're in Denver? Yep, Denver, Colorado to the world. It's been incredibly mild weather here in Colorado, to be honest. It's December and what's the temperature right now? 46 degrees. Feels like fall, to be honest. It doesn't feel like winter. But yeah, can't wait for the snow, to be honest. You know, a white Christmas would be nice. But I mentioned that we are managing over $30 million a year on the e-commerce management services. That's a lot of money that we help our customers um, capture and make sure that they are selling efficiently online with their Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce platforms. Over $30 million under management today. We really appreciate our clients and the trust that they place on us because it's a big deal. It's a big deal. It's a big deal for them. It's a big deal for us, and we want to make sure that they're well taken care of. All right, let's take a look. Mm, We have a system in place, some kind of gate or this feature for some online stores where they want to have a minimum order set up. Some of our clients are B2B, some are B2C, and in B2B, it's important to have, minimum order in place so that you're not getting very little or small orders. Uh, so that's something that we check daily for our clients, make sure that feature we've implemented is working and that no small orders are getting through. Um, Over the years, we found, some online customers try to get around that, but we're always trying to tighten things up so that the minimum order is being enforced consistently. It looks like everything is working correctly here. Yep. The only orders that should be under that minimum amount are manual orders that internal staff are creating manually, whether it's some kind of product that needs to be replaced for a customer or things like that. Some of those smaller orders may be posted to the dashboard, but they should not be orders that are coming through the front end by just regular customers. Those we want to make sure we're enforcing the minimum order quantity, and everything is looking good today. All right. You guys on social media, make sure to hit us up, follow us, subscribe, and like our posts. We are on YouTube, obviously. We are on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Flipboard. Just go ahead and find us under Treply, Trepoly. And yeah, we'd love to hear from you on social media. We post regularly. Um, you can also find our podcast on Spotify if you like to follow and listen about e-commerce. You can find our blogcast, our podcast on Spotify. On Instagram, on Facebook, you can find us at tripoli.co. We'd love to hear from you on social media. Remember to follow us and engage with our posts. Just like today, we're here to answer any of your questions, whether you hit us up here on YouTube Live or social media. We're available to you. Mhm. In the video looks as crisp as I can see it here on my screen. This is really good. Yeah, it really looks crisp. That's amazing. Yep. So we're here for you. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm just here hanging out with you today, and while I do my work. If you come in and have any questions that I can help answer about e-commerce development, web design, hosting, email marketing, we're here to help. So, mhm. So if I search for AMA on YouTube, let's see what comes up. So our stream comes up. Mhm. So not a whole lot of things live, to be honest. The past I just search e-commerce. It's been come up. Yeah, there's the live stream right there. Yeah, I think that the thumbnail is really funny. Yeah, let's see what happens if we search for it. Private window, my computer, and I'm using a VPN, so I'm not in them. This. Do you guys use a VPN? Curious. We do it all the time for e-commerce development too, because like sometimes if we're doing like search engine optimization for a client, we want to be able to, search as if we were in different cities or countries, because obviously that affects your search engine results page. So let's take a look here. Search e-commerce. stores, e-commerce videos. Let's see anything from live streams. There's a tab at the top, search for live. You can try that. Oh, e-commerce, 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 e-commerce development, e-commerce web design. Yeah, definitely not ranking just for the word e-commerce. If I click on the search for live, yeah, of course, right at the top. There's somebody else that is live influencer secrets. Welcome to our channel. That's cool. And we can talk to each other. Oh, his video is sideways. I'm not sure I would like to engage with that in the video right now. You can see here. I think that's a holiday edition. There's somebody else that is live doing screen sharing. Somebody else here have some thumbnail. There's two different channels, but they have the same thumbnail. Okay. The rest is different. So on e-commerce, line there isn't that much from SEO person live. Oh, well, we're ranking at the top for live. That makes a difference. And the second one is about importation from China. Okay. That means I wonder if I should use the date on live stream subject line, so title. Okay, well, we've hit the 33-minute mark here on the live stream. Thank you to all of you who joined and posted all of your questions. Really appreciate it. Hopefully next time we can see you again. Just gonna give it a few more minutes here before signing out. And then I can get on with other things here. I really think I'd like to do this more often. I understand that it's going to take, several live streams to get this going and get momentum. But I think it'd be fun. I think it'd be really useful for you guys. If you just want to jump in with an e-commerce expert and get some of your answers, some of your questions answered, all about e-commerce web design, e-commerce development. We can talk about email marketing as well, and about our e-commerce management services. Whether you need an extra hand with your online store operations, or there's so much that needs to be done in your online store on a day-to-day basis. making sure that your product images are updated, your product descriptions, your product options, whether you receive a complaint from a customer saying that they can't check out, that would be massive and would need to be taken care of as quickly as possible. Um, but yeah, let me know how we can help you sell more online. We really want you to succeed. All of you entrepreneurs out there, know that you run sometimes multiple online stores, and Traply can really, really help you uh, take a lot of your time back so that you don't have to be worrying about, updates, plugins, themes, new banners and new designs. You're launching a new product and you don't want to be, juggling all the different aspects yourself. So that's why Traply is here and our e-commerce management services to help you, manage all of that work for you so that you can really focus on leading your brand, the vision of your brand, your strategy for growing your business. We want to be doing all of that work for you so that you can focus on building your brand and growing your business instead of all the little tasks that need to happen. They're absolutely essential and they need to be done and be done correctly. Um, but why, if you are the business owner, you are the entrepreneur, why spend your time doing all those little things? Just delegate them to Traply. We're very efficient. We have really good communication with our customers and the clients, and we make sure that the tasks that you need done in your online store, they're getting done in a timely manner, very efficiently, very quick, and with a very high quality of work for you. So that way you don't have to worry about managing multiple teams or multiple freelancers or anything like that. We bring everything in house. We become your team, and you can reach us via email, via text message. We conduct regular face-to-face online meetings. Um, we can also do face-to-face in-person meetings in the Denver metro area with local business owners. But a lot of our clients are not in the state of Colorado, so we don't get to see them in person as often as we like. But we're just a text message, a phone call away, and tests are happening rapidly. Especially throughout the holiday season, making sure that you were set up for Black Friday and Cyber Monday and Small Business Saturday. We took care of that for our clients, making sure that they were ready. A lot of times we go into, what we call a code freeze for those very high intensity days where we want to make sure that code is not being touched because we want to make sure that nothing is breaking, not even by mistake or um, you know, plugin updates and all of that, they need to happen before those high traffic days because we want to make sure that your online store is optimized, that your website is firing in all cylinders. Um, and we go into a code freeze, meaning that we prepare everything for your online store for those high traffic days, optimize up to a point before those days. And once everything is ready, we just let it do its work, without going into any crazy migrations or plugin updates or anything that could break it. Because once you are in the middle of the battle, once you are in the middle of high traffic days, your store should already be, optimized and everything should be firing on all cylinders, like I said. So right now we're going into the end of the year. I'm sure you guys have plans for your businesses for for 2026, and we will love to partner with you. Look us up, uh, hit us up with an email or a phone call. You can find us at trepoly.com or email us at hello@trepoly.com. Again, Trepoly is Trepoly. And we look forward to working with you. We'll love to partner with you and help you succeed in 2026. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next live stream. Bye now.